Have you ever wondered why some people become wealthy while others struggle financially? The secret isn't just earning more, it's learning how to invest wisely. What is investing? Investing means putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow in value over time, helping you build wealth for the future. Saving versus investing. Saving keeps your money safe, while investing gives it the opportunity to grow. Both are important, but they serve different purposes. Why start early? The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compounding. Compound growth. Compound growth allows your investment earnings to generate even more earnings over time, making your wealth grow faster. Diversification. Never put all your money into one investment. Diversifying across different assets helps reduce risk. Risk versus reward. Every investment carries some level of risk. Higher potential returns often come with higher risks, so always invest wisely. Stock market basics. The stock market allows you to own small shares of companies. As businesses grow, your investments may grow as well. Dollar cost averaging. Investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions, helps reduce the impact of market volatility. Avoid common mistakes. Successful investors stay patient, avoid emotional decisions, and focus on long-term goals instead of short-term market movements. Long-term investing. Wealth is usually built over years, not days. Consistency and patience are key to successful investing. Passive income. Smart investments can generate passive income, allowing your money to work for you even while you sleep. Financial freedom. Financial freedom means having enough investments and income to live the life you want without constantly worrying about money. Key lessons: start early, invest consistently, diversify your portfolio, stay patient, and think long-term. These habits can help build lasting wealth. Every successful investor started with a single step. Begin your investing journey today, keep learning, and remember that consistency matters more than perfection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more simple finance lessons.